We're going to be working on adjusting the color and the color tone. So the first thing we're going to do is choose adjustment, and then we're going to choose curves, which is right here in the adjustment panel, and it looks like a curve. Then we're going to choose the white point. The white point is going to adjust. You can see right now our photo has kind of a yellow haze to it, and we're going to choose a white point, not a blown out area. But for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in and choose the white of her stripe. And what you can do is play around using the white point. So if I click on his yellow shorts, you can see how it's totally blown out. Or if I click on to the brick, and what I can do is reset everything under the reset next to the eyeball, and I can start again. Say like if I wanted to choose the sky, or if I wanted to choose like her leg, and you can see when I did that adjustment, everything is blown out. So I'm going to go ahead and reset it and choose the white area. The next thing I'm going to choose and go back to the adjustment. And you can see right here I made multiple curves. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to get rid of both of those. And yes, I'm going to delete it. And we're going to do the curves for reals. Oops, that was the levels. Choose the white point, and I'm going to choose kind of like in the white of the little girl with the sailor suit. Then I'm going to go back to adjustments, and I'm going to choose levels. And we have the black point, the white points, and the mid points. So the white point tool defines what color values should be made a neutral white. Once defined, all the colors tones shift accordingly. When done correctly, this is a quick way to remove the color cast. So that's what we just did. Now we're going to do the level adjustments. And we're going to use the histogram. So here I can push in the blacks, and I can push in the whites, and I can push in the midtones. But you want to do that to make adjustments. I'm going to go ahead and reset it again. And I'm going to put in the black point, which is 15. The midpoint is 0.9. And then we don't do anything else. So that's it. Now, what I'm going to do is flatten the image. There's two ways we can flatten. Like many things in Photoshop, we can do the same thing in multiple ways. I can go down here in the layers panel to the horizontal lines and go all the way down here and say flatten image. Or I can go to layer and go here, flatten image. Either way is going to be the same.